A roadside assistance business helps motorists or automobilists stranded on the road due to dysfunctional vehicles. It includes providing fuel, fixing flat tires, or ultimately towing the vehicle to a garage if on-the-spot repairing is impossible. It can also offer other related services. A roadside assistance business generates revenue by providing these services for a fee or providing subscription-based services for vehicle owners. The U.S. has over 43,000 roadside assistance businesses, which is a record high in the last 10 years. Recent surge in new vehicle registrations and mileage makes it a promising business. So, how much investment is required to start a roadside assistance business? Let us find out. The upfront costs for setting up a roadside assistance business is nominal vis-a-vis other product-based businesses. Registration. Business license and permit fee may range anywhere from $100 to $300. Incorporation will cost an average of $175. Office space. You can lease affordable office space for as less as $1,500 in a Tier 2 city. As a roadside assistance business, your office need not be located in a prime location. This gives a breather in overhead expenses compared to other businesses. Insurance. It is always a good idea to get your business insured in order to be prepared for unexpected contingencies. Insurance costs an average of $200 depending on the state of your business operation and valuation. Tools. You need to stock up a handful of mechanical tools and spare parts like battery pack, floor jack, jumper cables, air pump, screwdrivers, battery analyzer, etc. This might cost you an average of $3,000 or upwards, depending on the extent of geographical area you plan to cater to. Labor costs. You need to hire a few automobile mechanics for running your business. Labor costs are marginally low when compared to other industry segments.